Greetings of the day to everyone. I, Shilpa Gupta, TGT English from St. Joseph's Convent School, Pathankot, welcome you all in the session Art of Storytelling. What is storytelling? A story is a description of something happening that contains some form of sensation or drama. In other words, it is an explanation of cause and effect that is soaked in emotion. Here are some elements of storytelling. Number 1 is the contract. You have to make a promise in the beginning itself. Will the story be violent, scary, tense, or dramatic? Then comes the pull. To begin the story in a light tone. Next is the incident. This is the event that sets everything in motion. Next is the reveal. It's a point of story where the plot of the story is actually disclosed. Next comes the point of no return. It's the main point of the story where the main character learns what the story is really all about. Then comes mini climax. The forces of good are actually faced with something negative here. Then comes all is lost moment, the point where there is no hope left. Then news of hope. It is the possibility to shine in the total darkness. Then comes climax. The conflict is faced during the most dramatic event at this point. Then the ending of the story. Here the story is tied up and concluded. Here are some elements that make a story great one. Number 1 is to add dramatic content. Add some mystery, tension, surprise, and wonder in your story. Then comes write rhythmic prose. Read aloud the story to hear your writing's musical cadence. Provide music to your words to make your story an impressive one. Then comes create memorable characters. Story writing, the main essence of story writing and telling comes with the characters of the story. So give your characters the goals, strength, flaws, and personas. It is the integral part of the story. Then comes make each part effective. Be conscious about what you want each part to do. The story has various parts, so each part should be clearly written and told. Next is deepen plot with subplot. How could other plot lines develop your main themes? Subplots should be well connected to the main plot of the story. Next is make dialogue count. Ask, how does this dialogue advance my story? Everything included in the storytelling has a certain thing to do. Okay, so your dialogue should be well written to connect your story with. Next is add immersive setting. Make place detailed and let it change over time. Your setting of the story should be detailed one and it should be having some change as the story progresses. Next is include conflict. Include characters whose personalities, goals clash. Like we have heroes and anti-heroes, they only give some kind of charm to the story. So conflicts is also necessary to be included in the storytelling. Next, write great beginnings. Introduce characters and scenarios in the beginning only. Give satisfying endings. How does the ending resolve primary conflicts? The beginning and the endings are very, very important. The characters and scenarios should be introduced in the beginning and the ending should be very, very justified. It should be very, very satisfactory. Now let's go for narration. Here I'm going to narrate a story to all of you about love. It will tell you about the value of love. The story includes love and some other emotions like happiness, sadness, vanity, knowledge, richness, and others. I request you all to be an attentive listener. Here is the story. It goes like this. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was an island where all the feelings lived together. Happiness, sadness, knowledge, and all of others, including love. One day, it was announced to the feelings that the island would sink, so all constructed boats and left, except for love. Love was the only one who stayed. Love wanted to hold out until the last possible moment. Richness was passing by love in a grand boat. Love said, "Richness, can you take me with you?" Richness replied, "No, love, I can't take you, as I have much silver to carry with me, so I'm sorry." Love decided to ask Vanity, who was passing by in a beautiful vessel, "Vanity, please help me." "I can't help you, love. You are all wet and might damage my boat," Vanity answered. Sadness was close by, so Love asked, "Sadness, let me go with you." "Oh, love, I am so sad that I need to be myself." Happiness passed by Love, but she was too happy that she did not even hear when Love called her. Suddenly there was a voice, "Come, love, I'll take you." And Love started following without even asking who was it and where to follow. And they reached at a dry land. Then he met Knowledge there. And Love asked Knowledge, who was another elder, "Who helped me?" The Knowledge replied, "It was Time." The Love again asked, "Why time has helped me?" Knowledge smiled with deep wisdom and answered, "Because only time is capable of understanding how valuable love is." So this was all about the story. Now here comes the session of interaction. So students, I have some questions about the stories for you. The first question is, identify the characters. The main characters of the story are love, richness, vanity, happiness, and time. Next question is, identify the wants. What is the want of the story? The want of the story is to be on a safer place. Next question is, identify the conflicts. What is the conflict of the story? The conflict of the story is every feeling thought about them their own, and they just left love behind without taking care of love. Next question is, what is the resolution? The resolution of the story is timely help by time, because the only thing is time. Time is only capable of understanding how valuable the love is. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed the session.